All right, I got to figure out a way to use the same connector here, this little XT60 male connector, to see if I can connect this battery tester to this battery. So I'm wondering if this Pecron kit has something for me. And some alligator clips, that's promising. So battery clamps to what? Haha, to an XT60 female. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Cool. Hey guys, this is going to be a very quick video, but I wanted to show you something that I thought was pretty cool that Pecron just came out with. This is their new Universal Cable Kit U20. And this thing has a ton of different connectors and adapters and all kinds of neat stuff for solar panels and power stations. So if you've got more than one power station or you're working with different types of solar panels and you're kind of a dabbler like I am and you like to try things and experiment, well, this is kind of a must-have. I absolutely love this thing. So let me show you what's inside this thing. I've actually been using this for several weeks now, and it has come in handy so many times I cannot tell you. All right, so each one of these sides has a lift-up pouch with stuff on either side, as you can see. So let's just go through some of this. And XT60 male to XT60 female. I just used this for a battery test, so a couple of alligator clamps, and an XT60 female. This is pretty cool. This is actually an XT60 male to male. So it's basically a coupler that has got a power monitor in it. So it will handle up to 150 volts at a max of 30 amps. The voltage and current output on this little display here, super cool. And then also in the same pouch, there are multiple XT60. I think there's 3 XT60 couplers here. Here's an MC4 cable to XT60. On the inside here, we've got an XT60 out to a 12 volt car socket. We've got a 12 volt car plug to XT60. Here you've got an XT90 to an XT60 converter. And here you've got an XT90 to an XT60 converter with the opposite genders. So that's one side of this case. On the other side, you've got battery ring terminals to an XT60. I literally just use that to be able to use a battery to simply and very conveniently connect that battery to my power station to extend run times. We have got an Anderson to an XT60. We've got another XT60 here to a DC 7909. And then on the inside is a DC 8020. So these are common with Jackeries. Then you got another XT60 to a barrel connector. This is again DC 7909, but this time a female, and probably an 8020 female. And then another XT60 to DC 5521, and I am guessing this is probably DC 5525. And then on the inside of this, another XT60 extension cable. Nice heavy gauge short XT60 extension cable. If you've got one of the older or earlier type of Pecron systems with the aviation style connectors, this will go XT60 to that. And that was a female. This one is a male. So same kind of thing, different gender. And then XT60 to DC 5525. So this is the opposite gender of the other one that I mentioned. The other one was female, this one is male. So yeah, adapters for just about everything you can think of. So I'll go ahead and put a zoom in of this card up on screen for you so you can see what I'm talking about. But it goes down and talks about all of the various cables in here, how long those cables are, what specific adapters are on them, and which gender they are. So super handy. And then it also gives you a nice little explanation of that Z30 monitor hub. This actually does more than I thought it did. I thought maybe it just gave you the voltage and current, but it actually gives you watts. It actually allows you to accumulate watt hours, and it shows you operating time. So super cool. I mean, I'm really impressed. I'm going to find that to be very useful as well. So I can't tell you how many times I was setting something up. I wanted to try to see if something would work, and I'm just like, oh, I have to make a cable because I don't have just the right cable connections to do what I want to do. This thing will probably have you covered for most of those things. So this universal cable kit, like I said, is about 129, 130 bucks. And I think it's probably on Amazon. I know it's definitely on Pecron's website. I'll put links below if you want to go check it out. But yeah, this is one of those things, if you're a dabbler like me, it's kind of a must-have. I don't know how I lived so long without this thing. And if I couldn't convince somebody to buy it for me for Christmas, I would buy it myself, because fantastic little kit. Anyway, hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have fun out there.